My name is Rutha Wakalam. I am a student at Gwynn Park High School. My teacher is Mrs. Onwanga, and this is my interior digital profile. My interior color scheme consists of accent colors. Tanger, which is a shade of red-orange. The wall color is buff, which is like a cream type of color. The floors are carpet instead of hardwood floors, and I chose pure white for the ceiling. The reasons I chose these colors is because they would give the room a warm and calming effect. The buff walls would help to make the other colors pop out. The pure white on the ceiling, you would be able to create any type of look with it. The carpet would help the other colors pop as well. The Tanger gives a warm, welcoming feeling. It's not too loud, but gives the room a little excitement. In the daylight, the colors look soft and a little bit dull, but during nighttime when the lights are on, the colors will pop and be bold. This is a collage of the furniture I chose for the interior of the house. The reason why I chose this furniture is because everything is different and unique. The cream sofa would let the other colors pop out. The burgundy rug would pop out because it is a bright but not too bright of a red, and it contrasts with the Tanger. The texture most times can influence the way people feel in a room. For instance, the rug gives the room a warm touch and has a two-dimensional form. The lines on the curtain convey a sense of excitement. The shade of yellow on the curtains give the room a cool and warm feeling. The coffee table has two-dimensional form, and the texture of the coffee table is smooth. The color is a shade of brown, which makes the rug pop out. The painting looks smooth, so it'll pop out on the buff-colored walls. The cream pillows match with the chairs to give it a contrast, but they stand out. Because of the different pattern, they give the room a sense of comfort. The uniqueness of the oval chandelier is what makes it pop. The shape of its form of the lights. This is all the furniture I chose. They all give a warm and bold, calming, and unique feeling because they are all different in their own way. Thank you for watching and listening. I hope you enjoyed this video.